Hi, this is Anna Stevens with the Power Path School of Shamanism, and today I'm going to show you how to smudge someone, how to clean their energy. So smudging is a wonderful way to clean the energy of a person or clean the energy of a space. Today I'm going to be using this white sage smudge stick, and I'm going to be using a turkey feather little fan here. It's actually part of a wing. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I'm using this white sage, this is an ally. So before I smudge something, I have to talk to my ally and ask it what I want it to do, or tell it what I want it to do. And so I just do that by the way that you talk to any ally, which is first with gratitude and, complimenting it. So I say something of the extent of, beautiful white sage, you're so powerful, you're such a beautiful plant. You grow along the coastline and you come with all that beautiful sea, ocean energy, and you're so good at cleaning energy. Thank you so much for your service in this way. And today I'm asking you to clean out the energy of this person. So now my ally here, my smudge stick, is ready to go, and I'm ready to use it, and it's on board, and it's going to help me, and it's going to do the work for me. So I have a nice little bowl here, a little smudging bowl, so that I don't drip ash, but I'm just going to go ahead and light this smudge stick. And it'll go out on its own when it's ready, and you see the smoke coming up. And so I'm going to use my fan here, my turkey feather fan, and I'm just going to blow it with the fan into the person. And as I'm doing this, I'm imagining it go all the way through the person's body, all through their energy field. And I've already asked the sage to clean their energy, so that's what it's doing. Turn around. Make sure to get all around them, every part of them, their head, their heart, through the back and the front, all the way down their body. Like so. And that's pretty much it.